How to use Instagram shopping to boost your business? Hey, it's me again, Alice from Shopify Tips and Help channel. Have you seen my previous video on how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify? I hope so, because today I'm adding a few complementary info on this subject. More exactly, we will talk about optimization, branding strategy, but precisely via the Instagram tool. So let's see how to use Instagram shopping to boost your business. Before starting, as usual, I invite you to join our private Facebook group, but also our Instagram account dedicated to our channel with always more tips. Here we go. So I've already introduced you to the famous Instagram platform, so I'll spare you the junk. But let's see in more detail how you could improve your branding strategy through this tool on which many on the world's population spends hours. First, how to use Instagram. While it's possible to sponsor posts with product tags, Instagram shopping does not work like most traditional ads. The goal is really to integrate into an overall brand content strategy and enrich your post with a link to your products to drive impulse buying. And of course, to increase your revenue. In my previous video, I talked about collections, stickers, product tags, following the configuration of the latter via the Instagram Shopify application. These features are still too little exploited by companies and yet are extremely powerful. Create collection, that's the points you need to do. The collections are ideal to highlight a selection of products and to write personalized description. What's a way to showcase your products? You can communicate about the addition of this specific collection, group products from the same category, or create a selection of complementary products. Moreover, the personalized description is perfect for storytelling. It reinforces your brand image while bringing you closer to your customers. Then you need to use product stickers in your stories. Stories are very useful to stay in touch with your community and let them discover the behind the scenes of the manufacturing process or inform them about the release of new products. But unfortunately, it's not possible to add links to products unless you have more than 10,000 followers. Instagram shopping offers an interesting alternative to the swipe up with the product stickers. By using them, you will be able to bypass the 10,000 followers rule and link to the product sheets of the items you are promoting. So third, you need to tag your product on your ads to maximize the ROI, so return on investment of your ads on Instagram by tagging your product directly on your ads. Instagram shopping allows you to either boost already tagged posts or create an ad from your ad manager and tag a product in it. This ad format will fit perfectly into your target audience's Instagram feed. After that, you need to sharing customer photos. This is essential. Customers are your most valuable assets to promote your brand on networks, especially on Instagram. There is a strong chance that they will share their enthusiasm on social networks. All levers are good: gifts, contents, etc. with a little bit of imagination, and it goes. Take advantage of this customer-generated content to promote your products. Share your customer's post or story and add a product tag or stickers to it. This is very important. With Instagram features, of course, I recommend you to develop partnership with influencers. Whether they have a small or large community, it is one of the most effective levers of the platform. Influencer, yes, but that's fit with your brand's image and the identity you want to convey, of course. As you can see with these few examples of Instagram shopping use, it's mostly enhanced the already numerous native features offered by the social network. And you should consider Instagram shopping as a complementary brick in your marketing strategy. Don't just tag your product, be creative to enhance your product with original posts that inspire and seduce your customers. Instagram is constantly evolving and regularly offer new possibilities of expression. And that's it for today, so thank you very much for watching, and as usual you can like, subscribe and join us on our private Facebook group. So thank you, bye!